This document is a Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education KCSE Arabic Paper 2 exam from 2017. It mainly tests Arabic grammar and comprehension skills. Here's a brief English explanation of the sections shown. First, change words into plural forms. Students are asked to change underlined singular words into plural forms and adjust the sentence correctly. For example, السائق يقود السيارة. The driver drives the car. B. هو يسأل البواب عن الشقة. He asks the watchman about the apartment. C. سأكون موجودا هناك غدا. I will be there tomorrow. D. الطالبة تذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. The female student goes to school every day. The correct answers are السائقون يقودون السيارات. The drivers drive the cars. B. هم يسألون البواب عن الشقة. They ask the watchman about the apartments. C. سنكون موجودين هناك غدا. We will be present there tomorrow. D. الطالبات يذهبن إلى المدرسة كل يوم. The female students go to school every day. 2. Convert sentences from active to passive voice. O. Example tasks include changing sentences like the minister rewarded the teacher into passive form. A. كافأ الوزير المعلم. The minister rewarded the teacher. B. قال الشاعر الحق. The poet spoke the truth. C. عين المدير المتفوق. The manager appointed the outstanding person. D. يحترم المؤدب الوالدين. The well-mannered person respects the parents. الجواب الثاني. A. كوفئ المعلم. The teacher was rewarded. B. قيل الحق. The truth was spoken. ج. عين المتفوق. The outstanding person was appointed. د. يحترم الوالدان. The parents are respected. 3. Change intransitive verbs into transitive verbs. O. Students must rewrite sentences using verbs that take direct objects. A. خرج الطلاب. The students went out. B. كمل المشروع. The project was completed. C. دخل الولد الفصل. The boy entered the classroom. D. قامت المصانع في المدينة. The factories were established in the city. الجواب. The answer. A. أخرج الأستاذ الطلاب. The teacher brought the students out. B. أكمل المهندس المشروع. The engineer completed the project. J. أدخل المدرس الولد الفصل. The teacher admitted the boy into the classroom. D. أقامت الدولة المصانع في المدينة. The government established factories in the city. 4. Rewrite sentences using specific particles. O. Students rewrite sentences beginning with words such as inna, indeed, لعل, perhaps, hopefully. A. التلميذات فهمات الدرس. The female students understand the lesson. B. خادم المطعم نشيط. The restaurant worker is active. C. وكيل الوزارة مسافران إلى لندن. The ministry agents are traveling to London. D. موظفو الحكومة مخلصون لوطنهم. Government employees are loyal to their country. الجواب. The answer. A. صارت التلميذات فاهمات الدرس. The female students became understanding of the lesson. B. إن خادم المطعم نشيط. Indeed, the restaurant worker is active. ج. لعل وكيلي الوزارة مسافران إلى لندن. Perhaps the ministry representatives are traveling to London. د. ليت موظفي الحكومة مخلصون لوطنهم. I wish the government employees were loyal to their country. 5. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct subject-noun from brackets to complete sentences properly. الكلمات المعطاة: طرابلس, سعاد, المطار, الأستاذ. Tripoli, Suad, the airport, the teacher. A. مجمولة, مجمولة, is beautiful. الإجابة: سعاد, جميلة. Suad is beautiful. B. مجمولة, مجمولات, المشغول, is busy. الإجابة: الأستاذ مشغول. The teacher is busy. ج. مجمولة, مجمولة, is the capital of Libya. الإجابة: طرابلس عاصمة ليبيا. Tripoli is the capital of Libya. د. مجمولة, مجمولات, نظيف, مجمولات, is clean. الإجابة: المطار نظيف. The airport is clean, pure. Overall, the paper focuses on Arabic sentence structure, verb forms, singular plural conversion, passive voice, proper grammatical usage in Arabic. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Your support means a lot and helps this channel grow. Leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay safe, stay inspired, and thanks for being part of the journey.